Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. This is the last day of this week's upload. It is currently 8:50 right now. I think we have 40 minutes till market open. Have to drop off my little brother before I go up to the charts or whatever. But regarding last video, my hair is crazy. Regarding last video, there is the announcement that I wanted to make is there is gonna be a giveaway that I want to do because I just feel like, you know, I've been getting so much love, so much support, so might as well show it back, right? So it's gonna be a I don't know what size funded account, it depends, but it will be a funded account. Not this video, maybe next week's videos. In a series of videos next week, there will be a funded giveaway. I will announce it. If you guys want to stay tuned for that. New viewers, go ahead and subscribe now so you can get that notification when I post that video for the funded giveaway. All right, so we are kind of late to the market, but we did mark out our levels on the phone, and now we did get the 5-minute retrace now, and we can move down to the 1 minute, right? We have this fair value gap that can hold. We have all these fair value gaps that can hold up here, right? So we just have to choose the right one and make sure all our confluences come together. We tap into a fair value gap and then we get a break of structure. That's going to be a valid entry for me, but as of right now, we don't have a valid entry right now. We are in a trade. We got this entry here off this rejection, off this this candle rejection off this fair value gap. We ended up sweeping out pre-market highs. We came down, we broke structure here. Now we're down, and we did get the 5-minute retrace on the 5-minute, and now we get the bearish confirmation out of the fair value gap. So now we should be heading down to this low, but if not, we're gonna see what happens. Stop loss is above this fair value gap, and we're just gonna let the market do its thing. Starting to move now, starting to move for real. So once we get to this low right here, I'm gonna put stop loss to break even so it can be a risk-free trade point. So we are gonna put to break even, and now we're at risk-free trade. We're gonna see what happens. So news is clearly having some effect into the market right now. It's already 10:01, 1 minute past the news. Like I said, if you read this, it says actual greater forecast is good for the currency. If it's good for the currency, it's bad for the indices. Come on, don't wake me out. Come on, don't do that. Don't play with me. Just go. Is it gonna hit TP? Is it gonna hit TP? We're almost there. We're almost there. Past that low. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're right there. Right there. Just grab the liquidity. I know you want to do it. I know you want to grab the liquidity. Just grab it. I know you want to grab it. Grab the liquidity. Yo, it's playing with me, bro. There's no way that this reverses on me, yo. We are holding this mini fair value gap in here, but damn. Come on. We gotta hit TP2. If we do not hit TP2, there's no point of staying in a trade. Come on. It's playing with me right now. It doesn't want to grab that 4-hour liquidity and then head back up. Because once we grab this liquidity, it's gonna head back up. Pretty sure. About to get emotional as fuck, yo. Come on. Hit TP, hit TP, hit TP. There you go. Push, 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 push. There you go, there you go, there you go. Hit it, hit it. Oh my God. One push down, one big push down, and we're out. Come on. I gotta chill. My emotions are getting the better of me. I know this is gonna hit TP. I know it. There we go. All right, so we ended up taking a dub today. At the end was kind of playing with us, but we ended up catching the dub. Like I said, like it was gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys right now. After it hit this liquidity, took it out, and what I tell you it was gonna do, it was gonna go straight up. Now to get our day started, I am gonna be driving 40 minutes away to try this viral steak and fries spot in New Jersey. One thing that you guys need to know about me, I love steak, I love meat. Not in that way though. All right, so this is the place I went to drive 40 minutes away. Steak and fries. It's called the Colonial Grill. I'll link their Instagram down in the description, but we got the medium rare top sirloin steak, and you got the same thing but medium. Yeah, this shit looks good. Probably go around a few stores around here just to see, just to check it out. But after that, We are gonna go home and get ready for the gym though. Let's get to eating this food because it's gonna get cold. To Target. We're in the pajama section. We're gonna pick up some pajama, but I don't know yet. But yeah, I don't want to film too much because I don't want to get kicked out of here, bro. Back on the road, and we're gonna head to the gym now. That food was amazing. It was steak and fries with a little garlic sauce or whatever. But I'll put the link in the description if you guys like the way it looked. I'm pretty much tired. I'm gonna drink some pre-workout. Pick up the video back at home. So I decided not to end the 4-day challenge series and just continue try to post every single day, because I am really falling in love with this grind and with this hustle on YouTube and trading and just showing you my process and everything. You know, these last 4 days has been showing me like this possible, and you guys love it. I love it. I gotta say, if you want to post content, start now. Don't hesitate. Do not stop. Don't compare yourself to nobody else. Just keep going. You're gonna start tomorrow and then procrastinate and start a week from now. Start now. Start now. Trust me, start now. It will change your life. How about the funded? I am gonna be doing a funded next week. The funded giveaway is next week. I just want to show you guys love because you guys shown me so much love past this month and a half of me filming these videos. I've gotten so much love. So I'm gonna make that giveaway I think maybe around Tuesday or Wednesday, one of those videos, Tuesday or Wednesday, so you guys have to stay tuned for that. I don't know what type of prop firm or what size account I'm gonna do. It's probably gonna be like a 5K, a 10K, around there, a 5K, 10K account. We're starting off small because we are still a small creator in the YouTube space, or shall I say in the trading community. But sadly, this is gonna be the end of the video. I appreciate you guys so much, and subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.